coders, I am Pratiksha and welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Gyan. Today we'll discuss about typecasting in Python. So now let's see what is typecasting. So typecasting converts one data type into another data type. In Python we can perform typecasting using built-in functions like strings, boolean, integer, dictionary, tuple, etc. So now let's get started and see how typecasting works. It will change one data type. For example, it can change integer into bool, that is boolean. Also change the integer into float number or vice versa. Typecasting with few examples. So our first example is I have written a equals to 10. And we know that the type of 10 is integer, and here I want to convert this integer into float, that is into decimal number. So I have written float and in brackets I have written a, which is the name of the variable. So now let us run the program, and as we can see the output is given in float number. So our 10 has been converted into decimal or float number. So typecasting, it helps us to convert one data type into another data type. So now let us see our second example. I have written x equals to 56.89. Here we know that the type of x is float, and I have written print type of x, then int x. So here I have written print type of x. It will tell us about which data type is x. Then I have written int x. Here I have done typecasting. Here I have done typecasting, which means that I want to change this float number into integer. So I have written int, and in brackets always remember that you will always write the name of the variable you have assigned before. So now let us run the program, and as we can see that my output is class float because 56.89 is float data type, and the other output is 56 because with the help of typecasting the float number has been converted into integer. So this is another example. I have given a variable named as p, and the value assigned to it is 8, and I have written bool p, that is it will convert it into boolean value. As we have studied before that boolean value contains two types, which is true or false. So I'll run the program, and my output is true. So here also we can see that the integer value has been converted into boolean value through typecasting. So this is the last example. I have written a equals to 11. Then another variable is b equals to float a. So here we can see that this 11 will be converted into float number. Then I have written print b. Then I have given another variable named as c, and I have written c equals to bool a print c. Now let us see the output of this program. So my first output is 11.0, which means that here I have written print b, that the integer value 11 has been converted into float value. So my output has come as 11.0. And in second one I have written c equals to bool a. The value of a was 11, which is integer. So now it has also been converted into bool value. So my output is true. So you can try few more examples on your own. and I hope you must have understood about typecasting, and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Gyan and stay tuned for more videos about Python series. Thank you.